Preston Parker CPA, accountant in Scottsdale, Arizona, recently shared some thoughts regarding the healthcare companies that get new sustainability accounting standards. The nation's top sustainability accounting nonprofit has issued new accounting standards for several healthcare subsectors, including biotechnology and pharmaceuticals. The American National Standards Institute authorized the Sustainable Accounting Standards Board to develop sustainability accounting standards to help publicly listed corporations report sustainability issues to investors and the public. For the disclosure of environmental, social and governance issues in Securities and Exchange Commission filings for 80 industries across 10 economic sectors. The new Sustainable Accounting Standards Board provisional standards released this month are aimed at industries in the healthcare sector, including biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, medical equipment and supplies, healthcare delivery, healthcare distributors and managed care. Preston Parker CPA also shared some information from Sustainability Accounting Standards. The Sustainability Accounting Standards Board recently unveiled new sustainability standards for Form 10-K filings. The Form 10-K is an annual report required by the Securities and Exchange Commission that provides a comprehensive summary of corporate performance in companies that meet certain criteria, whether or not they are publicly traded. Similar to the Financial Accounting Standards Board, the Sustainable Accounting Standards Board was created by a group of particularly creative individuals in the financial sector who agreed that it was appropriate for the Form 10-K to include specific material environmental and social performance indicators, in addition to standard material financial reporting, appropriate, given the threats to business continuity associated with climate change and other environmental and social risks. The Sustainable Accounting Standards Board has worked closely with the Securities and Exchange Commission to implement the Form 10-K sustainability standards. Reporting on environmental and social performance has become common business practice for many organizations, and other NGOs have engaged in similar efforts to encourage companies to measure and disclose. These groups include Committee for Development Policy, International Integrated Reporting Council, Global Reporting Initiative, and others. What sets Sustainable Accounting Standards Board apart is that it aspires to enable this non-financial information to be placed on the Form 10-K alongside other material financial impacts. But there's more, according to Preston Parker CPA, accountant in Scottsdale, Arizona, as set out below. Sustainable Accounting Standards Board has just released their first round of reporting standards, focused on the healthcare sector. These standards include factors that were specially chosen by a working group of industry peers, who collaborated to find the most material aspects of social and environmental performance in the context of healthcare. The standards are available to the public for download on their website www.sasb.org. More are on the way with scheduled release dates throughout the next 2 years, including finance, technology and communication, transportation, and infrastructure, among others. Overall, this is a strong step toward the integration of financial and non-financial performance reporting and will link the work of voluntary reporting agencies like Committee for Development Policy with mandatory Securities and Exchange Commission filings, ideally pushing organizations who must report to begin focusing on the importance of measuring and disclosing environmental and social performance.